Introducing the 2020 Nissan Sentra. The base Nissan Sentra S starts at $19,090, representing a $1,100 increase over the outgoing 2019 model. But even the base Sentra comes with advanced equipment. Under the hood of all 2020 Sentras is a brand new 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, good for 149 horsepower and 146 foot-pounds of torque. Inside, meanwhile, Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suit comes standard. If you want the larger 17-inch wheels, the SV trim starts at $20,270. And if you want to go all out on the sporty-looking Sentra SR, that will set you back $21,430. On top of that, the SV and SR trims both get an optional premium package. On the SV trim, the premium package adds LED headlights, quilted leather, a power driver's seat, a moonroof, and a heated steering wheel, all for $2,460. The premium package on the SR trim adds those same features as well as an 8-speaker Bose audio system, a 360-degree camera, a auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and illuminated sun visors for $2,170. If you want your Sentra with the sleek two-tone non-premium paint, that will cost another $250. Single-tone premium paint costs $395, and the two-tone finish with premium paint costs $595. Compared to the other cars in the class, the 2020 Sentra isn't the most affordable, at least not right out of the box.